3, which is based on a computational optimization. Okay, so in that we discuss the unit 1 is based on an introduction part. So first we discuss the operation research overview. So in a elective 3 computation optimization, there are 6 units. First is based on an introduction part. The second unit based on a network analysis, inventory control. Then fourth unit based on a game theory. Unit 5, which is based on a queuing theory, and unit 6 is based on a advanced optimization techniques. So first we started our unit 1 introduction part. In that, the operation research overview, what are the different modeling approaches in operational research, various real life situations in a OR technique, that is operational research. Then next is the linear programming problem, LPP, basic LPP problems and applications, various components of LP problem formulation. Next part is the solving linear programming problems by using the simulation equation, graphical methods, simplex method, duality theory, and Turner's Big M method. The next concept is the transportation problems and assignment problems. Then next is the 0-1 knapsack problem using brute force and dynamic approach. Okay, so this transportation problem, assignment problems, knapsack problems. So this is the practicals. Okay, we also you also have some practicals based on this transportation problem, assignment problem, and 0-1 knapsack problem. Okay. So this is the introduction part of our operational research. So here we are focusing on the methods used to solve the linear programming. Okay, so that is linear programming problem, that is LPP. So it provides a reader and easy understanding of a problem solving methods based upon the discussion of model formulation, solution procedures, and analysis. So in this subject of a computational optimization, we discuss the general concept of operational research, linear programming problem or models, graphical methods, simplex methods, duality in a linear programming, sensitivity analysis in a linear programming. Okay. So first we discuss the operational research and the history of operational research. So the term operational research has its origin during the Second World War. So in that, the military management of the England called a team of scientists to study the strategic and tactical problems which could raise in the air and land defense of the country. So as the resources were limited and those need to be fully but properly utilized. So the team did not involve actually in a military operations like fight or attending war, but the team kept off the war but studying and suggesting various operations related to war. So the operational research is a war body. It's called as a war body. It is because the first problem attempted to solve in a systematic way was concerned with how to set the time fuse bomb to drop from an aircraft onto the submarine. So at the time of the Second World War, the military management England invited a team of scientists to study the strategic and tactical problems related to the air and land defense of the country. So here the problem attended the importance because at the time the resource available with the England was very limited and the objective was to win the war with the available merger resources. So what are the resources? The resources such as food, medicines, amenities, manpower, etc. So where the required to manage war and for the use of that populations of the country. So it was necessary to decide upon most effective utilization of the available resources to achieve the objective. So the operational research and abbreviated as a OR. So after the World War, there was a scarcity of the industrial material and industrial productivity reached the lowest level. So in the industrial recession was there, and to solve the industrial problem, the method linear programming was used to get the optimal solution. Okay. So in the Second World War, there is some industrial recessions was there. So to solve the industrial problem, the method is used, which is called as a linear programming, to get the optimal solution. So from then, one words, a lot of work done in the field, and today the subject of operational research have numerous methods to solve the different types of problems. So after seeing the success of British military, the United States military management stated the applying the techniques to the various activities to solve the military, civil, and industrial problems. So they have given a various name to these disciplines. So some of them are operational analysis, operation evaluation, operation research, then system analysis. So these are the different names for that particular solving this problem. Okay. So most of the time, the operational research is used. So what are the different names for this discipline? Operational evaluation, operational research, system analysis, system evaluation, then system research, quantitative methods, optimization techniques. So these are the different techniques used to solve the problem. Okay, so most of the time the operational research is used. The operational research people act as a staff to support line managers in taking the decision. Okay, so in operational research play a vital role in every organization, especially in a decision making process. Okay, so decision making process के अंदर optional research mostly use किया जाता है. Okay, important role play करता है. Clear? So as I said, there are different organizations are present. So in operational research, people act as a staff to support the line managers in taking the decision. So what is the mean by the operational research? So there are different definitions contain for that for that operational research. So first definition is the operational research is a scientific method of providing the executive departments with a quantitative basis for the decision regarding the operations under their control. So which is introduced by the Morse and Kimball in 1944. So in this definition, there is one word, the quantitative basis for the decision. Okay. So in a real world problems, we can notice that there exists a relationship among the intuitions, judgment, science, quantitative attitudes, partices, methods, and models. Okay, so in this diagram, this is a quantitative model, decision process, intuitions, judgments. Okay, science and quantitative model, intelligent information and data. Okay, so this diagram says that the higher the degree of complexity and the degree of turbulences so in the environment, so the greater is the importance of the quantitative approach to management. Okay, so on the other hand, we can say that the lower the degree of a complexity, that is the simple and well structured problem, and lesser the degree of turbulences in the environment, and the greater is the potential of a quantitative model. Clear? So, so in a quantitative model, one thing we have to remember that if the managers are to fully utilize the potential of management science models and computers, then the problem will have to be stated in a quantitative terms. So as far as the quantitative approaches as in the operational research, the terms are quantitative approaches, operational research, management science, system analysis, and system science are often used interchangeably. Whatever be the name of the subject, the syllabi and the subject matter dealt with will be same. So this analog to the God is one, but the names are different. So these are the different terms having the same meaning: quantitative approach, operational research, management science, system analysis, and system science. The next definition for another definition for operational research is the OR is an analytical method of problem solving and decision making that is useful in the management of a organization. The next is the in operational research, problems are broken down into the basic components and then solved in a defined steps by the mathematical analysis. And the next is the operational research is the use of advanced analytical techniques to improve the decision making. So it is sometimes known as the operational research, management science, or a industrial engineering. So in operational research, there are different number of definitions can be found, can be present. So what is the meaning of the operational research? So the operational research does not mean to get involved in the operations, but suggestions for the better execution of a operation. So the suggesting strategies how the operations can be improved and get better result. So the genesis of the OR is in finding the better ways to solve a problem. Okay. So most important thing in operational research is to finding the better ways to solve a particular problem. So it is a analytical, not pure hardcore action oriented. So as we explore, there are several options for the analysis of operation. There are different definitions for the operational research. So we search and research the effects of the operations. So if one solution offers some result, try the second solution and see and compare with the previous one, and unless we satisfy ourselves. So therefore, the research team sounds to indicate that there would be the enough thinking on the outcome of a several results. So hence the operational research. Okay, so this is the simple meaning of a operational research. So the simple example for the operational research is, so given a different route, okay, we have a different route to reach from the source A to the source B, source A to the destination B. So also on this route, there can be various way to travel, okay. So in a operational research, route from source A to the destination B. So from the source to the destination, there are different ways to travel from A to B. So for the simplicity, we assume we have traveling modes X, Y, Z. Okay, so each having a different traveling time and cost incurred on the travel. Okay, so in operational research के अंदर we have a source A and source B. Okay, so the source destination B. So what? Source A and destination B. So from source A to the destination B, there are different ways to travel. This is the first route, then second, third. Okay. So there are traveling modes, that is X mode, Y mode, and Z. So, so each traveling mode having the different time and cost on a source A to the destination B. Okay, having different traveling time and traveling cost. So if I have a limited money or budget and a limited time, okay, so also to reach destination B, okay, from the source A to the destination B, I have a limited money and a limited time. So which is the best option? So among these three route, each each route is starting from source A destination B. मतलब हर एक रूट क्या करेगा, हमें source A to the destination B तक के लेके जाएगा, X B, Y mode B और Z mode B. Okay, so all the options can reach from source A to the destination B. So I want a solution which I can use so that I can afford the money, afford the journey both in term of cost and time also. So in this type of problems, we are using the operational research. So here we are use the operational research technique.